Welcome to CPR Saver's product review. My name is Sydney and today I'll be showing you how to use our AED Trainer.
Our AED Trainer is the perfect way to prepare yourself for an emergency situation. Our trainer walks you through the steps of saving a life as well as gives you a tempo to perform CPR. To turn on the device, hold down the green button until you hear the automatic voice. Located on the side, you will find a language switch, a volume switch, as well as a switch that changes between life-saving scenarios.
To find this product, visit the first link in the description or call our customer service excellence team at 1-800-480-1277. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful rest of your day.